in different parts of the Shillong city, in different localities, have started stigmatizing people who have or who are working in those hospitals and those institutes. I think this also is very wrong. I really would again appeal that this is not their fault that they happen to be working in the hospital. In fact, they are putting themselves daily, in the front line to save lives and to protect us. I think at this time, the society must support them and make sure that we don't look down upon them or stigmatize them in any way. So I appeal to the citizens also to support the government, support the hospital and the individuals who are going through a difficult time and challenge. This is something that I would like to appeal. At the same time, I would like to tell people that there is a notion that is there in the people's mind that getting this disease is something just by looking at somebody you will get coronavirus. I think we need to get the facts clear. If we are maintaining our social norms, if we are ensuring that we maintain our hygiene, the chances of you getting the virus is less. It is only when the contact takes place through the hands, through the through droplets in the air, that's the only way it can get through. So therefore, this whole stigma of because somebody met somebody and somebody met somebody and therefore the fifth person also will be infected, please, I think we should get our facts right. It's wrong for us to create a bit of a confusion among the people, thinking that just because I saw this person travel in a vehicle and he crossed by and he was a person who was in Bethany Hospital that day, I think this will be something that needs to also be clarified. So please don't overreact to it. Be smart for yourself, be careful for yourself, and I'm sure that by doing these basic things, you'll be able to protect yourself. Number two, it's very important to also know, and people should understand, that it is not that if you get infected, that you will be on ventilator and you will be fighting for your life. That is not the scenario. That you have seen in records and in different countries that 85% of the cases are mild cases. And a lot of the cases are even asymptomatic, where people don't even show any symptom. And within a period of anything between 14 to 21 days, people recover on their own. People have mild cough, mild flu, some have mild fever. And after a certain period of 14 days to sometimes 21 to sometimes maybe 28 days, people are fine. It's only in certain cases where there's immunity issue, where people then need life support, where people need ventilators, and different kind of medical equipments. So therefore, this is another thing which I want to share, that it is important that people should not fear so much about this. We have to be careful. There's a difference between being careful and difference between being fearful. We did not fear. We need to be careful, take care of our loved ones, take care of ourselves, and as I said, follow basic protocol. This is a contagious virus, but it is not something that that everybody who gets it is on a ventilator. We need to know our facts.